Hi Jim, how are you?
Doing great.
Great.
Nice to see you.
Well, I'm Christina Rauscher, for those who don't know, and I'm with HPE, Zerto Software, and I lead our alliance strategy. As you know, we're the provider of leading cyber resiliency software and HPE cyber resiliency vault solutions. So tell us a little bit about your role and what you guys do.
Yeah, my name is Jim Kerrigan, and I work for Kyndryl, and I'm the Global Vice President of Sales for our Security and Resiliency practice.
Wonderful. Well, today we're going to focus on the importance of resiliency and security and some of the trends we're seeing relevant to AI. So pivoting into that, what are some of the trends that you're seeing within this space?
You know, at Kyndryl, what we're seeing is lots of customers investing in preventing, detecting, and responding to cyber breaches, right? And we continue to encourage our customers to spend money there. However, the threat landscape has doubled. The number of breaches has doubled year on year. So resiliency, as you and I have talked about, has become the competitive advantage for not only our customers, but also for Kyndryl and great companies like Zerto.
Thank you for that. Yeah, so what I hear you saying is really the recovery has become the differentiator in that enterprise space now, and customers are demanding that near zero RPO and near instant RTO. It's really critical. So when you're looking at this cyber resiliency, is there context? Are there areas that you're evaluating this cyber resiliency for customers?
Absolutely. You know, and this is where Zerto comes into play, because as AI workloads become more prevalent in enterprise, you're going to need to be able to recover them quickly. And Zerto software does that quite nicely. In addition to that, you'll also need to establish a recovery point timeline. And Zerto software helps us do that as well. So customers are really drawn to that software and the value proposition that it brings to the table. That, coupled with Kyndryl services, is really resonating with our customers.
Oh, great to hear. So, you know, with Zerto, the areas that we're able to help you guys on that is from the continuous data protection, anomaly detection, and then with our cyber resiliency vault, we're providing that air-gapped, immutable recovery points, right? And which is critical in this space. What do you think makes our relationship, partnership unique in the market today?
Yeah, what makes our relationship unique, I think, is that you have great software and great technology, and we have global customers that have some ability or no ability to assess, design, deploy, and day two manage that technology. And so Zerto and Kyndryl together, you know, with HPE obviously, allows our customers to take advantage of that technology. You know, Kyndryl, we operate in, our practice operates in 60 countries. We have 7,400 employees in our security practice. We have over 500 patents alone in the resiliency space. So our services for our customers resonates very well with your technology. And it's not an all or nothing. It's, you know, we're looking to complement and supplement what they may or may not have in place. And so together, it's a really good solution.
Oh, that's great insights. Where do you see in the future for our partnership? Where do you see this evolving to? What are the trends and how are we working together?
You know, where I see us working together is as AI becomes more prolific, workload recovery for AI workloads is going to be significant to be able to have that safety net, so to speak. And I think that that's going to create a lot of opportunity for both Zerto and for Kyndryl. If you implement an AI framework within your organization and you have no resiliency plan, that could spell disaster really for an enterprise. And so the big opportunity is for Zerto to continue to improve on their software, continue to improve on their capabilities, and have Kyndryl to continue to improve on our assessments, designs, deployments, and day two management.
Oh, good insight. So if we could summarize, what's the value of our joint work for our customers in your mind? I can tell you what it is in my mind, but I mean,
why don't you go first?
Yeah, so what we're doing really is we're creating a global partnership here, right? Where we're able to really future-proof resiliency, recovery, and the era of AI. That's where I see, you know, the evolution and what we're doing for our customers.
And I see a similar thing. Like I said before, Kyndryl's focused on, you know, things like zero trust services. We're focused on SOC optimization and SOC modernization. We're focused on governance, risk, and compliance. But none of those towers, if you will, inside our practice will be meaningful without a resiliency attachment to it. Because I have to be able to recover, I have to be able to recover quickly, I have to be able to establish a restore point, you know, timeline, and those are going to be critical business needs for us.
Oh, I agree. So together we're future-proofing resiliency for the era of AI, and We look forward to doing more of that together. So thank you so much, Jim. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having us
No,
today.
thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.